this is Michelle with Creative Operation. I hope you're having a great day. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to pop on here today and share with you one of my brand new organizing tools that I have for my room, and I'm super excited about it. I think you will be too. It is called the CRAFTY CADDY, and this is from Stop Apothecary Shop, and I received this and I just have to share with you how awesome it is. This matches my tape dispenser that I received and also my glue bottle holder that I had received. These are amazing, and I just really think you're going to love them. So the CRAFTY CADDY is what I want to talk about today. This is amazing. This is just amazing. So when I'm going to link Jen's videos, how she describes them and talks about them, but their origin basically came from some customers that had asked for some storage for the new Stampin' Up dies with stamps because they have changed the packaging recently. So they came up, Jen and her husband came up with this CRAFTY CADDY, and it is amazing. And I love the fact that, I'll show you in a second, but it's angled. And so your items that you put in here are stacked a little bit, so they're like easy to look at, easy to see what you have in here. I think it's really cool. But let me start by saying, so I received the black. I love the black. But they come in also teal, purple, pink, and white. So the 5 most popular colors that people are wanting, that's the colors that they come in. And there's also one that she shares in her video that has a scalloped front to it. So if you're interested in that, you can check that out as well. Those also come in those same colors. So the sizes of this, it is 6 5/8 inch wide. It's 6 inches tall at the back, and it's 6 3/4 inches deep. And I'll take these out so I can show you. There are 3 compartments, okay? And the compartments, it's hard to see, but they're angled, okay? So there's an angle to the bottom of this, which is really awesome because you can put you can stack like 6 by 8s in here, and there's a little bit of a top showing so you can see what you're using. This also fits, of course, 6 by 6 paper pads just beautifully. And again, you can see how the angle of the bottom just makes it nice so you can see what you got going on in here. But there's a lot you can store anything and absolutely anything you want in here. You can use this for all kinds of different things. You can use them for your, your tools, whatever you want to organize on your desk. But I wanted to show you what it looks like with 6 by 8 and 6 by 6 pads. So let me show you something else here real quick. So let's say you're working on a project and you have your embellishments that you want to use during your project. You can store them in here. I think that is what I might be using it for, is to hold like my embellishments, my fun ribbons, buttons, whatever you want. Put the packages here. You can kind of see them as you're working, have them off to the side and use them like that. I think that's a great idea, but there's more ideas. So I had also the idea, if you're going to be doing craft fairs, so I'm going to be doing craft fairs, and this would be a really cute display for like cards. So I have some cards that I recently made that you could just stack in here, and they would be really fun to display in that way. How about an organizer for your tools? It works really well for that. I mean, I just think that there's so many different uses that you could use this for, that the possibilities are really endless. But I really do love the fact that it was designed for Stampin' Up stamps, the sets with the dies. You can also use, this for embossing folders. And what about storing your dies? You can use it for anything you want. And I love that you can just really flip through. These will hold a lot. Like right here, right now, I have some Tim Holtz ones here, and you can fit 6 to 8 packages comfortably in each section. So I think that that is really amazing. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. I think this is really a fun product, and I think you'll like it. The other thing that I do like about this, and let me show you this as well, take these out. They have some feet on them. Can you see? I don't know if you can see those. There's some feet on them. So little feet so that it doesn't slide around your desk. I love that part. So that's awesome. I just think this is a great product, and I'm super excited to add this to my desk and be able to use it for my organization here. So I love that. Now, the other thing I wanted to show you was that she just recently had a video on a hack for your tape dispenser, and I did it. I'm going to link you to her video and show you what she did, but let me show you here. Let me get this. I'm going to try and see if I can get this close. And I don't think it's going to work really well, but what I did was, let me see if I can show you. I don't know if I can show you. It's hard to see, I know, because it's black. I've chose a black one because I like black in my craft room. But I took, and she'll show you this in her video, made a hack by using the cutting strip off of, I used a wax paper roll that I had in my kitchen. I took that off and then used it on here so that when you want to, it's a hack to actually add a blade to your cutter. So I'm going to link the video to that, but I did that just today. I was thinking about it and I did it today and it looks really cool. So, and it works. It works really great. You can just see that I did that. So it works perfectly. And it makes a nice little, you know, blade, just like for when you have your wax paper, your saran wrap, whatever. And then you can cut your tape with it. So the adapter did not have a sharp edge, and they did that on purpose. But you can add that hack to your tape dispenser, and I did. And then like she said in her video, and she'll show you exactly how to put it on, I added some washi tape over the top of it just to kind of decorate it up a little bit and cover that metal piece, but it's gorgeous. I love it. So go check out those videos. I will link her video where she talks about this Crafty Caddy, and then I'll link the video for the hack for the tape dispenser, and then I will also link all of her 3D products for you. So go check those out. Go check out these products. I think you're gonna really love them, and let me know what you think. All right, so thanks for watching. Stay crafty, and I will see you again soon. All right, take care. Bye bye.